Jack Chapman with Auto Repair Shop Success. We recently had one of our members and fellow shop owners over on Carm Capriotto's town hall discussion. Now, the topic was quality control and recheck processes. And if you haven't seen it, check it out. We have it linked on our page. It was fantastic, but it got me thinking. Why do we view quality control as the end of our process? Why does every process we have not lend itself to that end result? Folks, if you're not actively developing or fine-tuning your processes, you're not leading your team. If your goal is truly the best customer experience, do you look at that every day? Do you ask, what could we have done better for the customer today? Are we empowering our people to perform radical acts of services? What are your thoughts? Now, we produce content like this regularly, and if you like what you're seeing, be sure to follow us and subscribe. Comment below with your input on this topic, because we'd love to hear it. And as always, we can't wait to see you.